Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. A call to action this evening from co-chairman of the Economic Program Oversight Committee EPOC, Keith Duncan. He wants local businesses to seek out more export opportunities as the trade deficit widens. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The latest data from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin show Jamaica importing $4 billion more in merchandise than it exports. EPOC co-chair Keith Duncan says local businesses should take some of the blame for that.
Our businessmen and our private sector need to really step up to the plate to maximize what the opportunities that exist in the region and internationally.
But they're not the only ones to be blamed. Mr. Duncan, who is also president of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, argued that getting locally produced goods off the island is easier said than done.
One of the factors that really impacts us in a significant way is ease of trade. It's too expensive to put out to ship a container. The process is too long.
He noted that outdated regulations under the Customs Act, which was enacted 78 years ago, is also a contributing factor to the declining export figures. But there may be hope on the horizon.
The Customs Act, which was been around from 18th century and 19th century, was not ever updated. So there's a whole review of the Customs Act, which will hopefully address these pain points for the import, because you have to import your raw material, right? And that is again more expensive than if you're in Trinidad or in another Eastern Caribbean country or in Puerto Rico. For us to export or to import is just too expensive and too onerous. That should be addressed in the Customs Act, in the new Customs Act that is coming. That should be coming.
Between January to October last year, Jamaica's exports amounted to $1.3 billion, which was 12% lower than the year before over the same period. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 5 cents less. The price of automotive diesel will decline by $2.78, while $2.87 will be cut from the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel. The price of kerosene will decline by $3. Propane will cost $2.97 more and butane 3 cents less. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $141.80. The Canadian dollar is going for $107.13. The pound $183.49, while the euro closed at $158.43. The stock market now, the JSE index lost 6,069 points today and the junior market index declined by 22 points. Among the winners, 138 Student Living, Siboney Group, Main Event Entertainment Group, Lasco Financial Services and Radio Jamaica. On the losing side, we had Medical, Disposables and Supplies, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Cygnus Credit Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.